What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video out in East LA. Haven't hit up the community store in a minute. Let's go see what they got, man. Let's go see what they got, and then let's go see if they be tripping because I'm filming. I do gotta lay low here because they be tripping about me taking video. So filming might be a little bit different. And then we're also gonna go across the street. There's a little Foot Locker there, so let's go see what they got. Do get 20% off the clearance wall. Also, I also have the Nike refurbished stuff here. One of the very few that do have Nike refurbished stuff in Los Angeles. Size 10 Alpha Fly Next percent's going for $135. Remember, you do get 20 off. This would be like $110 or something. If you have the family friends card, which I don't have, you have to get this for well under $100. Damn, and these are dope. I do want one. Man, maybe the Nike clearance. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out how to get me a pair. I definitely don't want to pay full price. $275 down to $135 plus 20% off. To be able to get Air Force Ones for 20% off, not bad. 10.5. LeBron's right here. I just saw some in the aisles for what, $70, 20% off. That was kind of crazy. Only a couple sizes, only 12s and 8s, I think. But yeah, I got these going for $100, 10.5. Zoom Fly 4 is going for 100. Tempo Next percent Flyknit's going for 110. Really not seeing much refurbished stuff here at all, if any. We have the Prestos, 55. 11.5 LeBron. 11.5 Jordan. These are the Luka colorway. $175 for that one. Brown's going for 100. Janowski's going for $45. These are refurbished right here, 11.5. Jordan 5s down here. Size 12, $180 for these. These are definitely different, dude. I'm not a fan of the lows. I'm not gonna lie. Not a fan of the Jordan 5 lows. Be able to get it for 20 off. Not bad. If you have any other additional discounts, that's what's up too. Bigger size here. Not really seeing much, you guys. Not really seeing much. Got these Hirachis going for 65. Size 12. Let's check out some of the smaller sizes. Size 9. Do see some Fly E's right here. Jordan 1 Fly E's. These are some mids. And they look like they got laces, but it's all Velcro. Kind of help for those who are handicapped. Pretty dope. If you need those, $150. Heard from some of y'all picking up Kyrie's for like hella cheap. No, $140 here, man. $140. 8.5. Another one of these. These are priced at $219 though. What the heck? Ton of these Prestos, 55. Go for size 9s. Some refurbished size 8.5 of these. I found a bigger size, maybe. These are $72. Mass 2017, going for $165. That's an 8.5. $175 for these. We've seen these for hella cheap. What the hell? Even at the retail shops, we've seen these on sale. What the hell? All right, now we are checking out the aisles. Dude, still got these. They've had these forever. There's one that's gonna go on sale eventually. What the heck? All right, Westbrook Take Ones. Got a trio of these. Max Arvez. Got a couple of those. Got some other generic J's. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway of the Kyrie Flatshot 5s. That's interesting, okay. We got some Mortalities. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Only Cortez you can find nowadays, hella cheap. Hydro 6s. They were cheaper at Citadel. SB Alley-Oops. Got a couple colorways. I think the price keeps going down, right? This is the LeBron I was talking about. Only 7.5. Someone's trying on a 12, so 8. But yeah, $7 you get 20% off on top of that. Those are like $56. Wow. We've seen these go down in price like crazy. Full box, everything. Man, I'm getting a quick view of all the LeBrons here, you guys. I said it's kind of different because they've been tripping here. We got Air Max 90s. I'm looking for Air Max 90, but that's just more than I want to pay right now. All right, checking the women's section, and look at this. Look at this, $110 for Air Max 97s. That's just hella cheap, especially with that 20% off. Got these as well down to $100. I'm not digging that color though. Color's kind of ugly. Got the Alpha Flies. These are down to $150 with 20 off. So what, $120 after the discount. Force One Shadows going for $85. That's 7.5. Another colorway of these. These are $200 for the Alpha Fly Next percent. Other colorway going for $120. Oh no, $200. My bad. 2 bills. That's a size 8. Size 9s. $150 for these. These are pretty dope. Some decent material on it. Size 9. Vaporfly Next percent down to $150. Size 9. Some of the Fontankas, Air Force One Fontankas. Okay. Size 7.5 Pegasus 38 go for 75. Air Max 97 is another one. Go for $90. Size 7.5. Wow. I don't believe they made women's size LeBron 7.5. Going for $70. That's hella cheap. I got quite a few sizes of these. Got size 7 still. $110. Okay. Force One Fontanka, another size 7, go for 90. Hirachis, all white Hirachis go for 90 as well. Remember, you get 20% off all these clearance shoes. And they do got a heat wall. You don't get 20% off though. They got the LeBrons that I'm a huge fan of, but no discounts, man. This is the other side right here. These are a 10.5. These are size 12 women's, 10.5 men's. Jordan 1 low. These are fire, dude. Those are fire. $110. Must have been one of the older ones because it's still only 110. Some taxis. These are grade school right here. Got some women's 10.5 right there. These camo. I'm a fan of these camos. Okay. And also this is only a preschool though. They got some military blacks technically. I think this might be the dopest thing here, dude. Size 12. I'm telling you, the women's regular ones, I swear the leather seems to be a little bit better than the men's for the Jordan 1 lows that I've seen at least. Alright, that's the best thing here so far. We got some Citrus 7s, 13s right there. They're all regular price though. Alright, let's go check out across the street, see what they got there. Alright, right across the street, right next to the Whittier Blvd sign, do got a Foot Locker here. Damn, that truck was loud. Alright, do got a Foot Locker, let's check it out. It is a Foot Locker and a kids Foot Locker all in one, so pretty big store. Yo, the price is cheaper than the Nike outlets. Oh my goodness, look at that. Air Max 90s. But for hell, I don't know if the homie I'm trying to buy this for, I don't know if he would like this color. $60, hella cheap. Oh my goodness. That's the cheapest we've ever seen at a retail store. More of the Hirachis on sale. Wow. Pegasus right here. These are 36, 38s. Cheaper than the outlets, man. And remember, you can use your survey coupons for all this stuff. Get $10 off. Then Air Max 95s. Oh my God, look at this. When was the last time you ever seen Air Max 95 for that cheap? Holy cow. I didn't think I would find anything on sale today, and I was right. Nike outlets have been worthless. Retail shops have been crazy. Didn't we just see that for more at the Nike outlet we got there? All them canvas shoes up top going for $30. And even got more Jordans. Heritage right there with the decent leather. The 5s. Damn, got all kinds of AJKOs. 5s, 7s, 11s, 13s. And some mids, some lows. Got all kinds of stuff here. We've been seeing all the RSXs on sale, down to $50. And man, there's just so many different colors. Holy crap. Even got the highs right there. Those are hella high too. And got a ton of slides. They're the cheapo slides. Going for $10 though. I can't complain when they're $10. Wow. And these not on sale at all. This is the second gen though, with the zipper. Not the hoodie design, but the fleece jacket design. And the Suna slides going for $20. Even the Air Max one's on sale now. Oh wow. And then wow, these are all cheaper than the outlets, right? The outlets had up to $80. These are all cheaper than the Reebok outlets. And this one been on sale, man. We need to throw these on sale even more for anybody to buy that. Got these Iversons. I'm not a fan of these. Not gonna lie, not a fan of these. They're here though. They're here. The workouts right here with that decent leather and the classic leathers right here. Okay. 70% off. Got a bunch of the Just On All City merch. 70% off. These are only $80, so $24 for that. Not bad, not bad. Soccer jersey, $65. All this stuff. Man, the All City stuff, like, I'm not gonna lie, the material's like really, really premium. It's really good stuff, dude. So if you like something, definitely a great time to buy. The fleece shorts right here. Fleece shorts right here. What's the price? $65 for those, so under $20. Man, got some dope stuff. Got some fire stuff, you guys. Now we're gonna wrap it up. Like, not buying anything until I get my holiday ones. I just ordered the crazy ones, the Kobe's. I just ordered another pair of those, a different colorway. So yeah, I'm done. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that was Nike Outlet East LA, or the East LA Community Center. Kind of an interesting vlog. It was very short, but kind of an interesting vlog because we got to see what was at the outlets, and then we also got to see what's at the retail shops. The retail shops, man, might have been better than the Nike outlets. Like the sales, we saw a bunch of the Air Max on sale. Like we saw some of the Air Max that were the cheapest we've seen them in forever. Like that was pretty freaking insane. That was pretty dope. The Nike outlets, like they had stuff, but it wasn't crazy, and stuff they had even in the heat section. You know, we weren't really getting any discounts unless you got one of those friends and family. Don't get me started on the friends and family. That kind of made me mad. Like, I understand why they made it back into cards, because people had, you know, there's people out there, including resellers and personal people, that got, you know, 50 different accounts. You get friends and family on each every one. So they're like, this is stupid. So they turned it back into cards and gave it to employees, and employees, you know, get to hand them out to their friends and family, that type of stuff. But resellers are going and buying them off of the people, you know, they're buying them off of the staff members, or staff members, maybe some of the managers giving it to resellers. I don't know, but I know that the resellers have a ton of these. I wasn't able to get any. I'm gonna be honest, I reached out a little bit, but I didn't really make any phone calls and stuff like that, so it's not like I was trying too hard. To be really honest, I'm really waiting for the Jordan 1s, the Jordan 1 Chicago Reimagine, Lost Found, whatever you want to call them. I'm primarily waiting on those, because yeah, I'm getting one guaranteed for sure. So I'm kind of saving my money for that. I also did scoop up the Kobe's. I scooped up another pair. They have the Lakers colorway on BSTN. I even made a video about that, so hopefully you guys are watching. But I scooped up a couple of those now. So yeah, I'm kind of chilling, dude. I'm kind of chilling, kind of laying low. The Jordan 1 Lost and Found might double up. I don't know. I'm gonna try to help a friend of mine get one as well. So you know, trying to grab a couple of those, and then the Alma Manier 4s. That's pretty much about it right now, because have a lot of expenses, man. Got Christmas coming, got the holidays coming, Thanksgiving, all that stuff. So got a lot of expenses coming. So kind of chilling. You're not seeing me grab a bunch of stuff. It's like crazy hard, because there's all kinds of stuff on sale, and like in the past, whenever anything's been on sale, I've just grabbed them because the price has been amazing. But can't really do that right now. Yeah, the Niners just played. They played pretty decent. Chargers were like injured like crazy, so Niners should have won by more. But you know, they did what it takes. You know, we're halfway point at the season. Still got a lot of season to play, so hopefully they can their offense can heat up and get a little bit better, because their offense was kind of looking mediocre today. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Let me know if you guys want me to make a how to cop the Jordan 1 video. I'm gonna be honest, like I think it's kind of the same as all the other times when it's tough to buy sneakers. You know, hit up raffles, you know, the exclusive access on certain sites, as well as certain platforms such as JD Sports, stuff like that. I haven't bought anything JD Sports in a while, so I'm wondering if I'll even have exclusive access. I don't know, but I don't think I got access on the last Midnight 4s. Midnight Need 4s. I don't think I got access on those. So but yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to make one. I'll make one tomorrow if you guys need. Release that on Thursday when all the raffles and stuff begin. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. And yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.